Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Live Sweet. I'm Olivia, and today we're going to be trying pre-packaged cookie kits. Now, I've seen a lot of these kits around at Walmart, Target, grocery stores, all over the place. And they can have a pretty bad rap sometimes among the baking community, but they are convenient for everybody that doesn't bake, can't get to a bakery, or any number of reasons. So today I have two kits. Here's the first one. It is a Wilton kit, and we'll go over it more in just a minute. And our second kit is much larger. I haven't actually seen anything from this company before, but I don't know. It looks really good. Neither of these kits are sponsored. I'm going to be judging them on 6 different qualities. The first being supply quality. A lot of times you'll get these kits and they'll seem really great, but what you are given is not a great quality. There's not enough stuff, or it's not the right color. Anyway, we're going to be looking at that. Along with amount, we're going to be looking at supply quantity. Is there enough there for everybody to use? Third thing, ease of use. You want something that's easy to use. You don't want to have to fight with it. You don't want to have to provide a ton of your own stuff. You want it to be all in this one kit. Fourth, we're going to taste them. Which kit has the better tasting cookie? And 5, is it fun? Is this something you actually want to go out and you want to do? Is there enough stuff to keep you entertained in it? Just all around, is it fun? And finally, what if you got one of these kits and you wanted to give it as a gift? You'd be concerned about drying time and what you can do to put it in different packaging and things like that. So drying time is really important because you don't want to smudge the work that you've just done. So that'll be the last judgment. So, with all of that said, let's get started. Okay, so the first kit we're going to try out is the Volton kit. I'm going to bring that a little closer. And right here, you can see the cookies. It says on there, let's see, it says it comes with everything you need, and it's seen here. So, 8 cookies, 2 bags of icing and some sprinkles, a few designs on the front. Let's see. This has an ingredient list on the side. Not an ingredient list, but a supply list on the side of what's in there. This has the ingredient list and the nutrition information. And this is just kind of a repeat from the front. Okay, so now we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Make sure that we have everything. So first off, let's count our cookies. We're supposed to have 8. So here are 2 per pack. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, and none of them seem to be broken, so that's really good. We have a white bag of icing, a really bright red bag of icing. Look at that. That's a really nice red. I like that. Looks like, I don't know if some of it leaked out. You can kind of see this maybe a little on the edge, but there's like a little red and it's kind of coming off with my hands. And then finally the sprinkles. These are really nice and pretty. So, set that to the side. I'm going to put our extra cookies to the side to start with, and I'm just going to grab this first pack, open it up, So here we go. This is one of the cookies. I'm a little surprised that they have this little bit of overhang for the dough, but it's really not a big deal. It's got a nice like edge to it, so the icing will stay on it, so that's really good, especially if you're doing this with younger children. This is the other one. So I'm just going to grab a little bowl to put all these sprinkles in. It's a nice mix. If you look in there, we've got some silver hearts, some pink jimmies, some white jimmies, some X's and O's, some confetti. Oh, some little pearls are in there too. That's so nice. I love sugar pearls. All right. So I'm going to get that box again, and I'm going to see what some of the designs are that they have on the front. So I really like this one right here. I think I'm going to try that one out and see how it goes. Okay. So I'm going to knead the bag first. It doesn't really have any instructions other than to use a spatula or a butter knife. So in place of that, I'm going to use my Thingamajiggy. I love this thing. It is fantastic and works for just about anything. I'm going to keep my box close so I can look at it. So, there doesn't appear to be anywhere where you actually tear on these. Okay, I'm going to just see if they tear. And they do. Okay. So, I'm going to use some scissors the rest of the way though, just to give it a nice edge. There we go. Here we are. And here we go. So I'm going to go around. Whoop. Okay. So this is like thick royal icing, it feels like. It's not a buttercream, but it's an extremely thick royal icing, which is good. You don't want it all running all over the place on you. Now I'm going to use my Thingamajiggy to smooth everything out. There we go. I'm going to pull some drops down. Okay. I'm going to set that right there. And then the next thing is just to sprinkle. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to put it over my sprinkles to make sure we stay a little bit cleaner than normal. Okay, so it's not exactly like the picture, but it's pretty nice. Let me see. Let me get the box. Here's our original, and here's mine. Okay. I'm going to set this to the side over here. Let's see, I think I'll try a design with a white this time. And I kind of like this one as well. Oops, there we go. I kind of like that one, so I'm going to try it. I do notice already that I've used a significant amount of red. Now, I will say it's pretty thick on that cookie, but still, I would have thought there would have been a bit more. Anyway, I'm not going to be worried about it. Give myself a little more control. I'm going to snip the end off the white, just to give me more of a tip. And now it just looks like I need to make a wavy pattern down the side. Ooh, there's some red in there. Just take care of that. Put it right there. And now we're going to fill in the rest of it. And we're going to spread that out just a bit. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oop. There we go. Gonna set this to the side to clean it off. And now we're going to put more sprinkles on. So I really like the amount of sprinkles that they've given for this. I really feel like it is enough for everybody. And here's this. It's not as packed in there as the others are. But there's mine. And here's the box with our reference picture. So I'm not going to go through the other 6, but it seems to me that there would be enough for the remaining 6 cookies as far as the icing goes. Same with the sprinkles. Their suggested designs show not completely covering the entire cookie, and you could always make the layers thinner. This is a really, really thick icing, so I really like that, and I think this is really good. So I'm pretty happy with this so far. Okay, so that's going to do it for part 1. This video got really long, so we decided to divide it up into 2 parts. Part 1 will be available on Wednesday, and part 2 will be available on Thursday, and we'll still have our regular scheduled Saturday video on Saturday. So make sure you, if you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell if you've already subscribed so you'll be notified when the next video is up. So that's all for today. Bye!